In today's video, I'm going to show you how to integrate Canva with Mailchimp for email design. So first, of course, make sure that you're logged into your Canva account and create your email graphics like headers, banners, or promotional images. Make sure that you use the correct size for email, such as 600 pixels wide for best results. And when your design is ready, click on the share button at the top right and click download. Then export the file as a PNG or JPG for high quality images. Then press download. Then next in the new tab, head over to Mailchimp.com and log into your account. Then next click on the create button in the left panel. And here we're going to select regular email. Then skip this for now. And here we can start from scratch. And now once inside the email builder, drag an image block to your layout. And here you can actually add your design from Canva and simply click on this button. If your Canva account is already connected with Mailchimp, you can get your photos directly in here. So in our case, we're just going to click on view images. So this is the sample design that we created earlier in Canva. And what we're gonna do is select or tick the box beside those images for us to be able to upload this in Mailchimp. Then click on Sync and Insert. Confirm the file type and click on Sync Now. And now once the image is added, you can click on it and press Add Link. You can also adjust alignment or add supporting text below it. This lets you turn your Canva graphics into clickable email sections. You can also resize it to fit in your layout. And finally, preview your email on desktop and mobile to make sure your Canva design looks great across devices. You can do that by pressing the preview button. And here you can switch from desktop view to mobile view and inbox view. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video and I'll see you again on the next one. Bye!